Okay, come here. Who are you?
I am Buzz Lightyear. Do.
What's that on your back?
Wings?
Wings? Let me see them. Turn around. Oh, those are fancy wings you have there. So what are you doing, Buzz Lightyear?
I'm going to find Zurg's castle.
You're gonna find Zurg's castle?
Yeah, because he's bad.
That's a fancy outfit you're wearing.
Buzz Lightyear stuff.
Yep. Did you pick that out yourself, Buzz Lightyear?
Well, actually, Andy was so happy I came from my birthday.
Andy was so happy what?
When it was his birthday, and then it was a new one, and so he saw me, and so he saw what my name is, and he said, Buzz Lightyear, that's what my name is.
Oh. Well, see you later, Buzz Lightyear. To infinity and beyond. Can you say that?
Infinity and beyond. One.